What skills are required for project management?
There are many skills required for project management, but the most important ones are communication, leadership, organization, negotiation, and problem solving.
What are the three critical skills of a project manager?
The three critical skills of a project manager are time management, risk management, and budget management.
What are the 5 key concepts of project management?
The 5 key concepts of project management are scope, schedule, costs, quality, and stakeholders.
How can one become a project manager?
There are many paths to becoming a project manager, but the most common ones are getting a degree in project management, obtaining a project management certification, or working your way up through the ranks of an organization.
What makes a good project manager?
A good project manager is someone who is organized, communicates well, can handle stress, is a good problem solver, and can lead a team effectively.
Thanks for the information. Do you have any personal anecdotes about project management?
Yes, I once worked on a project where the scope kept changing, and the stakeholders were constantly changing their minds about what they wanted. It was a challenging project, but we were able to complete it successfully by staying organized, communicating effectively, and being flexible.
That's a great story. Thanks for sharing.